Hey guys! Okay, so we're gonna start into the next system. I'm only gonna give this like 5 minutes because you have a test today. I don't want to take any time away from you taking that test. So we're gonna do this short and simple and give you a good introduction for the next little bit. So I'm gonna draw it first, and then next time I'm probably gonna have a little bit of Play-Doh, and you guys can build it at home if you want. Okay, so we're gonna start with the urinary and excretory system next. This comes after the digestive system. So with this, there isn't a ton of anatomy that you need to understand, but we're gonna go ahead and start with these little doohickeys. Okay, so these are kidneys. They sit like right here. So if you get kicked, fun fact, I know this from experience, if you get kicked real good in this side, you can burst blood vessels in your kidney and it'll cause like blood in your urine. So, okay, these are kidneys. We have 2 of them. And then the next little stop for urine. So urine is created in the kidneys. You guys missed my drawing, huh? Because it's so good. Okay, we get these tubes. So urine is created in the kidneys. Boom, here. I remember when I was like, if you want to shank someone, shank them right here. That renal artery is right there, the one that feeds the kidneys. That's a bleeder. So, okay, we've got the kidneys first where urine is created. Then the urine has to travel down a couple of tubes. So one from each kidney. These are the ureters. Ureters, okay? And those will terminate in, I'm gonna fix that a little bit. A little storage area, has a storage capacity for urine, and it's the bladder. And then depending on whether you have male or female, you'll have a different size urethra, but that is the next stop, would be the urethra. That's where the urine exits the body. So, urethra. So, that's kind of an overview where we're going next. Good luck on the test today. As usual, contact me if you're having a hard time finding content. If you need help, I will research and try to get you the resources that you need.